Cargo Glide 600. If you own a pickup truck and constantly struggle with loading and unloading cargo, here's a game changer: the decked Cargo Glide 600. Say goodbye to awkwardly reaching for heavy boxes or fumbling with gear in the back of your truck. This sliding cargo platform makes it effortless to access everything, even with just one hand. Designed for serious hauling, the Cargo Glide extends 75% of its length, bringing your gear within easy reach. But don't let its smooth glide fool you. It's built to handle some serious weight. For the 2021-2024 Ford F-150 Raptor, you can choose between a model that supports 272 kilogram or a beastly 998 kilograms, depending on whether you want it to cover half or the full width of your truck bed. Durability? No question. Made from steel, aluminum, and 19mm thick plywood, topped with a high-impact polymer sheet. This thing is built to last. In fact, Decked is so confident in its strength that they back it with a lifetime warranty. Even better, it arrives pre-assembled, so if you have a drill, you can install it in about 45 minutes. Starting at just $900, this is one of those upgrades that makes you wonder, why didn't trucks come with this in the first place? And if you think this is impressive, just wait until you see what's next. DT1000 Elo Dog Crate. If you're a dog owner and love taking your furry friend on trips, the DT1000L Dog Crate might just be the ultimate solution. Priced at $924, it may seem like a splurge, but here's why it's worth every penny. This spacious crate is designed to fit larger breeds like German Shepherds, offering them plenty of room to relax during long journeys. It's equipped with removable covers and a visor, providing protection from wind and rain, making it perfect for all weather conditions, especially the rainy days in places like the UK. With excellent ventilation and a tray that can hold your dog's favorite toys or treats, the DT1000L ensures your dog stays comfortable and entertained. Though the crate is primarily made from plastic, key parts like the doors and hooks are made of steel, ensuring durability and reliability. Plus, it's easy to clean and carry, making it a practical choice for any adventure. Whether you're taking your dog on a road trip or just driving around town, the DT1000L still is a great way to ensure they travel in style and comfort. So, is this the best way to travel with your pet, or is there a cooler option on the way? Keep watching. When it comes to heavy-duty jobs, the Fisk TX1 is in a league of its own. Fisk Tank Carrier specializes in installing and maintaining propane tanks, and they take it a step further by customizing vehicles to meet the demanding needs of the industry. For instance, Fisk can install a platform capable of holding two massive 3,785-liter propane tanks, making it perfect for those who need to transport large quantities safely and efficiently. But that's not all. If you're looking for extra features to help with the job, Fisk also offers 360-degree cameras for a full view of your surroundings, ensuring safety and ease during operations. For those who need even more muscle, the HebX High Duo crane is available. With a reach of up to 11.3 meters and a lifting capacity of 3.3 tons, it's built to handle the heaviest loads, making even the toughest jobs manageable. If you're in need of a vehicle that can take on serious tasks with the utmost precision and power, the Fisk TX1 is your go-to. But is this the ultimate workhorse? Or does the next invention push the limits even further? Stay tuned. Frontrunner Slimline. The Frontrunner Slimline is an incredibly versatile and robust roof rack system designed for those who need to maximize the cargo capacity of their vehicles without compromising on aerodynamics. Perfect for adventure enthusiasts, overlanders, or anyone looking to haul extra gear, the Slimline is built to withstand harsh conditions while maintaining a sleek and low-profile design. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, the slimline roof rack is engineered to support heavy loads with ease. It's crafted from strong, lightweight aluminum, which ensures both strength and corrosion resistance. The design allows for a customizable setup with a wide range of accessories that can be added depending on specific needs, from jerry can holders to storage boxes or even rooftop tents. One of the key advantages of the slimline system is its modularity. The rack consists of slats that are easy to configure and expand, allowing users to adapt the setup as required. Whether you're carrying camping equipment, bikes, kayaks, or extra tools, this roof rack can be tailored to suit your journey. The slimline is designed with aerodynamics in mind, ensuring that it causes minimal wind resistance, which helps with fuel efficiency and reduces noise while driving. It's also engineered for easy installation and is compatible with a wide range of vehicle models, including most SUVs and 4x4s. For adventurers and off-roaders looking for a reliable and stylish way to carry their gear, the FrontRunner Slimline roof rack is an excellent choice. Trahan Fire QTAC Super 3. Introducing the Trahan Fire QTAC Super 3, a vehicle custom designed for intense firefighting operations, whether in remote forests or high-risk airports. Developed by Nicholas Tran, the owner of Tran Fire Rescue, this vehicle is a response to the increasing demand for specialized equipment capable of tackling some of the toughest firefighting challenges. Tran Fire Rescue specializes in complex rescue missions, requiring a vehicle that can meet extreme conditions. After collaborating with QTAC, they chose the Super 3 model, a robust foundation that was expertly modified to handle the heavy-duty demands of the fire service. The end result is a fully equipped fire rescue vehicle designed for maximum efficiency and reliability. This upgraded Super 3 comes equipped with a 1,893-liter water tank, offering ample capacity for quick deployment during emergencies. In addition, it features a 6-meter folding ladder, ensuring that no situation is out of reach. The driver has full control of the fire extinguishing system from the comfort of the cab, making operations safer and more efficient. Not to mention, the vehicle's striking bright red paint ensures it's easy to spot even in chaotic environments. This powerful firefighting machine is priced at $200, combining advanced features with unparalleled performance in firefighting and rescue operations. What if your pickup truck could transform into a cozy home on wheels, ready to take on any adventure? Meet the Toughport Overlander, a camping unit designed for those who crave the outdoors without giving up comfort. Whether it's the scorching heat of summer or the freezing cold of winter, this camper is built to handle it all. Plus, it's one of the most aerodynamic options out there, meaning you'll save on fuel while cruising to your next destination. With dimensions of 3.2 by 1.8 by 1.7 meters, it offers plenty of space for two people to stretch out and relax. But it's not just about space, it's about features. The Overlander comes equipped with 100-watt solar panels, insulation, and built-in lighting, ensuring you have power and warmth no matter where you park. Depending on the layout you choose, you can even get premium add-ons like a refrigerator and a kitchenette. The coast-to-coast version packs all these luxuries, but it comes with a hefty price tag of around $50,000. So is this the ultimate road trip upgrade, or is it just the beginning of a new era in truck camping? Stay tuned, because what's coming next might just blow your mind. Vulcan 810. The Vulcan 810 is a high-performance, heavy-duty vehicle designed for serious work in various demanding environments. This truck is particularly well-suited for those in industries like construction, agriculture, and emergency services, where durability, strength, and versatility are key. One of the standout features of the Vulcan 810 is its advanced hydraulic system, which allows it to handle large loads with ease. This truck is equipped with a powerful hydraulic dump bed, enabling quick and efficient unloading of heavy materials such as gravel, sand, and construction debris. This feature significantly enhances productivity by reducing manual labor and streamlining the unloading process. The Vulcan 810 is built with reinforced steel and other high-strength materials, ensuring it can withstand the toughest conditions and carry heavy payloads without compromising performance. It also comes with a robust suspension system that ensures a smooth ride, even when transporting loads over rough terrain. Another key feature is the versatile cargo area, which can be customized with various attachments or storage solutions to meet the specific needs of the user. Whether you're hauling tools, equipment, or materials, the Vulcan 810 provides ample space and flexibility to get the job done. Priced at a premium, the Vulcan 810 offers exceptional value for those who need a reliable, heavy-duty truck for tough tasks. It is ideal for anyone looking for a powerful, durable, and adaptable workhorse to take on the toughest challenges. Bed Rider Seating System. Ever thought about turning your pickup truck into a fun, open-air ride for passengers? That's exactly what the Bed Rider Seating System does. This unique add-on lets you install seats right in the cargo bed, making your truck the ultimate adventure vehicle. Whether you're cruising through town or heading to an outdoor event, this setup guarantees a thrilling ride. What makes it even better? Versatility. The Bed Rider system fits almost any pickup truck. And when you need to haul cargo instead of passengers, the seats can be removed in seconds, giving you the best of both worlds. Now, safety might be your first concern, but don't worry. Bed Rider has undergone independent testing and has been proven to exceed federal safety standards. That means you're not just riding in style, but also with peace of mind. If the name sounds familiar, that's because this product was featured on Shark Tank, where it grabbed attention for its innovative design. A ready-to-install set, including the mount and seat, costs $699, and over the past 4 years, they've sold 800 units. So, would you try this for your next road trip? Or do you think the next invention on our list might be even cooler? Stick around to find out. WeatherTech Impact Liner. Your pickup truck's bed takes a beating, hauling heavy tools, rough lumber, and even stone slabs. Over time, all that wear and tear can leave scratches, dents, and stains. But what if you could protect it without compromising durability? That's exactly what the WeatherTech Impact Liner does. Unlike regular bed mats, this ultra-tough liner is made from thermoplastic elastomer, a material designed to resist warping, cracking, or breaking, even under extreme conditions. It's also scratch-proof, stain-resistant, and UV-protected, so it won't fade or deteriorate over time. Whether you're carrying construction materials or outdoor gear, this liner is built to last. The best part? It's custom cut to fit specific truck models perfectly, ensuring seamless coverage. Plus, its textured surface prevents cargo from sliding around, while the raised edges make cleanup effortless if something spills. For the 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor, this liner is a must-have upgrade to keep your truck looking brand new. But is it the ultimate pickup truck protection? Or is the next invention even more impressive? Stick around, because what's coming next might just surprise you.